Hello guys, I hope you all are fit and fine. This is me, your favorite Taiba Santuba, and we are from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. Our best number is KT100. On my left, I have
Assalamualaikum. My name is Safwan Islam Suhra.
On my right, I have
Assalamualaikum. This is the favorite Arman.
And today we are going to talk about verbs. So without any delay, let's start it.
Do you know? I think we have done pronoun and noun. I think today we will learn verb.
Yeah, you're right. And teacher is maybe on the way. It's been a bit late. Do you know what's verb?
Yeah, I know. Verb is the action word.
Oh, I don't know. But I will get sure at what will our teacher teach us today. I'm excited.
I think teacher is coming.
Yeah, me too. Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Sit down, please.
Okay.
Do you have any question?
Yes.
So say.
What are we learning today, ma'am?
Today we are learning about verb.
Thank you.
Teacher, what is a verb?
A verb is an action word. It tells what someone is doing.
Oh, like eat, sleep, and swimming?
Yes, those are main verbs. It has meaning and can be verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and verb ing. Example, eat, ate, eaten, and eating.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes. Then, what is auxiliary verb, ma'am?
An auxiliary verb is a helping verb. Example, am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had.
Great answer, ma'am.
Miss, can I tell a sentence?
Yes, of course.
She is singing. In this sentence, here is helping the verb and singing is a main verb.
Exactly, you're right. Is auxiliary verb and singing is main verb.
And I see. They have eaten lunch. Have is auxiliary verb and eating is main verb.
Good job, you're doing a great. Say.
What is modal auxiliary, ma'am?
Good question. And modal auxiliary is a special helping verb and like possibility, ability, and necessity. Example, am, is, are, was, were, be, been, have, has, had, do, does, did.
Teacher, can I ask a question, please?
Of course.
In a sentence, I can swim. Is can a modal auxiliary verb?
Yes, you got it.
Can I give a bit of an example?
Yes.
Main verb. Main verb. I dance everything. Here, dance is main verb. Auxiliary plus I am dancing now. Here, am is auxiliary verb and verb and dance is verb, main verb. Modal plus auxiliary. Modal plus main. I can dance well. Here, can is modal auxiliary and verb and dance is verb.
Wow, Ria, that's amazing. You have used all three correctly. Everyone give a big clap for her. So children, verb is action, strong, true, and model too. That's all about our video.
See you later.
And don't forget to give a thumbs up.
Eid Mubarak.